To wrap up today's lesson, we are going to learn how to play bell horses. So let's listen to the song first.
Bell horses, what time of day? 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, time to away.
So the words for bell horses are bell horses, what time of day? 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, time to away. Those are the words for the song Bell Horses. Here is the whole song. When you go to play the song, make sure that you clap the words so you know how many sounds there are per beat. Let's do that together now. Here we go. Bell horses, what time of day? Rest. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, time to away. Rest. And on our rests, we don't have any type of musical sound going on. Even though I say rest, that is just a reminder for myself so that I know not to play, to be completely musically silent. So when we have a rest, don't make any sounds. You can say rest or think rest to remind yourself, but don't actually play anything. So here we go. Remember that G and E are our new high and low sounds, but G on your right hand, you are going to play with your pinky. So G is our pinky finger. And then E is going to be our right hand middle finger. So make sure that when you are playing, you see that your G and E are your right hand, pinky, and middle finger. Okay, so let's keep going. So if you have to, again, clap the words to be familiar with it. You can print out the music, draw in the heartbeats above the music. That way you have a good chance of practicing how many beats there are in the song and how many sounds there are per beat. Okay, so take this time to clap the words by yourself as I say the words. Here we go. Bell horses, what time of day? 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, time to away. Rest. Good job. All right, here we go. Let's start learning how to play it. So measures 1 and 2, the very first and the second measure of the song. We have bell horses, what time of day? Let's break it down. Let's focus on the first 4 beats. Bell horses, We are focusing on the first measure. We are using our pinky and our middle finger on our right hand. Okay, so pinky and middle finger. So when you go to play, you are actually playing while reading the staff. So you have G, E, E, G, E, E. What I would suggest is maybe even taking the time to clap that out. G, E, E, G, E, E, while saying it. And then take your right hand and just set it on a flat surface and go pinky, middle, middle, pinky, middle, middle. Do everything that you can to help prepare yourself to play G, E, E, G, E, E. So this is what it looks like. You're playing with G and E on your keyboard. So you're playing G, E, E, G, E, E. This is what it looks like. G, E, E, G, E, E. So you have bell horses, Here it is one last time. So to help prepare yourself to put your hand on the keyboard and play the correct notes, make sure you know where your G and E notes are. Make sure you know what fingers to play them with, and the rhythm. It's quarter, eighth note, quarter, eighth note. Okay, you can clap it, you can say it, you can use individual fingers to maybe play it first to get the rhythm, then transfer your fingers, but do whatever you need to do in order to keep practicing it. Here it is one last time. You can always rewind the video, replay it as many times as you need it. Here it is one last time, the very first measure. Alright, so let's move on to measure 2. Now measure 2 has that new sound that we heard in the end of Unit 2. So let's look at what that is. We still have our 4 beats in this measure, and we're still looking at measure 2. So we have G, G, new sound, G, and then we have that rest, which is our silent part of our music. And in order to play it, you would take your pinky and stretch up to the new sound. It's right above the G key that we know. So you would go G, G, new, G, rest, and then you would have that break. So it would sound like this. Okay, so it's just reaching. If you don't want to play it, you don't have to. You can just play all G's. Okay, so that's how you play measure 2. You have the option of playing the new sound, or you don't have to. You can just play all G's. So here it is with the new sound. Stretch. Rest. Here it is with all G's. Rest. Okay, so there that is. Now let's keep going on. Again, you can always rewind the video, pause it, play it as many times as you need it. We're going to look at the measure 3. We're looking at the first part of it where it says 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. We have all 4 beats. We are using our right hand, pinky for G, middle finger for E. Here we go. So we have 8th note, quarter, 8th note, quarter. And that is played with the notes G, G, E, G, G, E. You can clap it. G, G, E, G, G, E. Okay, you can clap it to help you get the rhythm. You can also maybe just use a pointer finger to play. G, G, E, G, G, E. And then start using your pinky and middle finger. G, G, E, G, G, E. And then maybe in your head you can sing the song so that way you know what it sounds like and where it comes in. So, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Okay, there's measure 3. Here it is one more time. Good job. So here is measure 4, the last 4 beats of the song. Time to away. Rest. So this is where we also have our new song. G, G, new, G, rest. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Same as measure 2. You're just stretching. It's right above G, or right next to it. One more time. G, G, new, G, rest. Alright, so here is the whole song. Here's measures 1 and 2, very slowly. Here's measures 3 and 4. Rest. Good job. So there is Bell Horses. Here it is just a little bit faster. If you're still working on it slower, that's awesome. Keep going. Here it is just a little bit faster. Keep going. All right, good job. Please feel free to pause, rewind, or stop this video at any time if you're still practicing and learning. Good job with the lesson today.